Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to the casino that is the stock market. My name is Shades. If it's your first time here, be sure to subscribe and give the video a like. It really helps the channel grow. Now let's jump into the video. Mullen stock just bounced here at 26.5. Guys, if you have been following Mullen stock for a long time, let me know in the comments below, because you probably have seen this pattern before. We've seen Mullen go down to 20 and then 10 cents, and then the reverse splits, it goes back up to dollars, and then it comes back down again, rinse and repeat. We know that they secured a 210 million contract with Volt Mobility. That is a huge contract. And right now we are bottomed out at around 23. If we can hold this bottom right here, let me show you an example. Tilray brands here. Tilray stock, guess what? It's sitting at a bottom. Look at that bottom, guys. You see that bottom? That is one incredible bottom that is held since June of last year. When a stock bottoms out, that's when it's a buy, because it gives you a lot of opportunity to add your favorite stock nice and cheap, and then you sell it on all the pops. Okay, just showing you an example so you can see that I'm not just making things up. In the description below, I will leave a Word document where I tell you how I trade the stock market, give you my ideas and thought process. So feel free to download it below. It's free. It's only 10 pages long. It's a Microsoft Word document. You can read it on your phone while taking a dump and get it done. It's like a little booklet, pamphlet, whatever you want to call it. Short, sweet, concise, to the point. Feel free to check that out. Again, it's free for you guys. And let's go back to Mullen. I don't have it on my watch list. It should be on my watch list. Mullen stock. This is Moo, by the way. It's their new version, so I'm checking it out. But if you guys have been following this one for a long time, you know exactly what I'm talking about. This stock, when it bottoms out, there's opportunity. So here's your bottom, 23. And if for some reason it comes down as low as 10 cents, I mean, why not, right? But 10 cents is going to be your next, it's going to be your next level, because that is where we tend to see buyers step in. People love those big round numbers. If you've been around long, you know what I'm talking about. It's done this so many times. It comes down to 20 cents, it bounces, maybe has a secondary bounce, and then it comes down to 10 cents and does it again. But that contract is huge, so we might not even see that. Maybe this is the first time in a long time that Mullen stock does something different other than reverse split and then tank. Maybe we finally find a bottom on this one, because if you zoom out on the chart, I mean, let's look at the monthly chart. Yeah, this thing just keeps dumping since 2020, since the top here. So maybe this is the one time we finally hit a bottom. And that's why I am keeping my eyes on it, because when a stock hits a bottom, like I just showed you with Tilray brands, once the stock bottoms out, it's nothing more than buying the bottom of the range and swing trading it to the upside for the big bucks. And Tilray brands just loves to drop PRs that send it. So that is what I'm watching out for. Keep an eye on this double bottom. Maybe if we get a bounce here, if it can break above 39, or 30 is going to be your break above point. If we can break above 30, we could go to 39. That can happen. But again, the most important thing is to watch for the bottom. There's your trading range, very clear trading range right now, between 23 and 37. So they didn't even come down as low as 23. Let's see how we'll see what pattern forms. We do have Nvidia earnings, and a lot of the market right now is just waiting on that. You can see it's a kind of very red watch list. We're just waiting on Nvidia. If Nvidia's earnings beats, we're gonna see the market pump. So if it doesn't, we're gonna see the opposite. So just kind of be cautious and be aware of that, because Nvidia can move markets on its own, as you can see. Just in anticipation of Nvidia earnings, we're going red, we're sideways. So just be aware of that, just so you don't get caught by that, because some people get caught by surprise. Oh my God, I don't know why everything's going down. Well, because Nvidia is reporting and it can move the market on its own. But anyways, huge contract. This is a big deal. If we can bottom out, it would be the first time in a long time that we've hit a bottom. And just buy the bottom of that trading range, swing it to the upside, have a stop loss at around, if I was going to set a stop loss, let's see, if you guys I haven't talked about this stock in a long time. I haven't. I would definitely set a tight stop at around 22. because it hasn't broken down below. It has not gone that low. If this thing can close green, that would be even better. Let's look at the lower time frames before I go. Yeah, this thing has been trending downward has it been trending down the entire year? Yeah, it has its pops. Comes back down, then has another pop. Let's see, I'm just looking at its history. Yeah, it loves to have these pops, and then it comes back down and it has a secondary move. So that's why I'm saying, like, keep an eye on this one, because we could get a second move to the upside. That's a big contract, my friends. Sometimes these stocks, they love to have that initial big move, then they come down, and then they have a secondary move to the upside. Let me see if I can find an example here. I think Serve stock was the most recent runner. ASTS was another one. But Serve here had a huge pump, dumped, found a bottom here at 10 cents, had a secondary move from $10. It had another move from $10 to 18 for a nice another 80% move there before breaking down, going lower, unfortunately. But that's what I mean by it. Like, there's opportunity even if it doesn't pump back up to the previous highs. So that is what I'm watching out for. That is it for the video, guys. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button if you want to see more Mullen stock. That lets me know that you want more videos out there for MULN.